Some days I got no use for it all.
We're Mike and Debbie Kelly, and we travel Willy Nilly style.
Making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies.
I don't know, guys. Okay, I see the water dripping. You see it? There we can see it. It's this one right here.
I don't know. I may be getting in over my head on this project. So getting access to this area required me to lay on my right side and using only my right hand, reaching way back in here underneath the shower and working one-handed.
Crap. Okay, I'm going to run outside and turn off the water.
So the other end of this leaky hose was our water intake.
So we had the water leak on the inside, and this is what we see on the inside, and that's all that really is.
So you always want to try the easy things first, so I figured out which hose clamp I needed. I grabbed it from my onboard supply and made an attempt to install it.
Nope, it's still dripping. Okay, so there's the paper towel. That is still leaking, so I put the paper towel underneath it, and we'll just turn the water pump on and off every time, which means we'll also have to turn the hot water tank off every time as well. I don't know what else to do. I don't have a PEX piece of a piece of equipment to put that in and clip it. I might have to run to a Home Depot and Lowe's and just buy one of those tools. So that might be my next stop, but this is what we're going to do for tonight and tomorrow.
The going got tough, but the tough got some love.
So a 45-minute drive to Lowe's, and about $90 later, I came back with what I thought was every tool and piece and part that I needed to fix this.
Notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, but I said goodbye.
It's hard, huh? It's very, very hard. It's funny, I can't see with my eye.
And then there comes a time when you just have to say, is it my lack of tools, my lack of skills, or just my age? But I threw in the towel. It was a local RV tech that was recommended by the folks up in the office. Papa J and Nana J are a husband and wife team. And I felt like they did an awesome job. He spent a lot of time explaining everything he was planning on doing, and we went forward.
We fixed the back one, and now the one to the front is leaking. And in both cases, the ones that are leaking are
are this. I wish they would have never used that. And that's a bad thing. And none of the rest of them, or just these front two, have this. So so basically, the blue line is.
That's your main line.
Alright,
Feeds everything.
sweet.
And it's all in PEX now instead of that stupid.
Yeah, this I don't understand why you see there's several places where there's hose,
Right.
and I don't get it at all.
And
Yeah.
I could understand it if this room right here was moving,
Yeah.
but it's stationary. Why do you have that? The only PEX hose that needs to be in here is that one right there.
We came back
So I'm so glad we hired an rvtech, because I'd be doing this twice, and I think now we're going to take care of all of it, because both of them that had that crappy water hose are both now being replaced with regular PEX. So, cool.
A braided hose is in the fittings.
So you gotta, yeah.
When you put the clamp on it and
Yeah.
they don't match up
So you're replacing
So
the
you're-
braided with a PEX.
with that.
Okay.
Correct.
And yeah, so and you can see from right there, it's got a,
You can see the bubble in it right there.
yeah, it's got a clamp. Yep.
Where that
So I'm comfortable that we shouldn't have this.
shouldn't have any more leaks. Now, like I said, there is one there, but it runs down to your press tank, and there's nothing you can do about that. And that's why it's ran and braided. It's because it has to make so many turns and bends after they just use braided hose.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's not leaking.
Not that I can see.
Yeah.
So if you're ever in the Madison or Greensboro, Georgia area, this is who we recommend. Okay, here is the final verdict. We got PEX all the way in and over. We had to end up doing 2 spots there. Well, yeah, all the way into the water pump actually. And yeah, looks good. It's been a few hours, no wet spots. We'll check it again when we move the RV the next time. But I think this is a win. So this was the factory original setup, and this was my first attempt trying to do it the quick way. And this is how the rvtech did a great job. Hope you guys can join us next week.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Hey, thank you all for watching today's video. Cheers, everybody.
Don't look at the past. No, we're not going that way.